Good afternoon, grade 8s, and welcome to our very first live memo session. We will be looking at our class test 1B in the session, and we will start off immediately with question 1. So, as it says here in the question paper, we need to write down the first 10 prime numbers. So, these first three questions basically deal with some knowledge. There's no real way to work out the first 10 prime numbers. You simply need to know them basically. So we'll start off with the first prime number, which is 2, and that's followed by 3, and then our next prime number is 5, and then we've got 7, and then the next one would be 11, then 13, and then now we have 17, and then 19, and then 23. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the next one after 23 would be the number 29. So those are our first 10 prime numbers. And again, you kind of need to memorize these things. The first 10 prime numbers, or in fact, you should know the first 20 prime numbers at least by heart. And of course, prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors. They are natural numbers that have only two factors. And that factors are, of course, itself and the number 1. Right, so moving on straight to 1.1.2. The first 10 composite numbers then. Composite numbers are basically all the natural numbers that are not prime numbers. So the first composite number would be 4. A lot of you make the mistake of writing 1. 1 is not a prime number. 1 is also not a composite number. So 1 is excluded from both lists. So we start with the number 4, and then we have 6, and then we have 8, and then we've got 9. A lot of you miss 9 as well in this list of first 10 composite numbers. A lot of you missed the number 9 and skipped that and went straight to 10. So 9 is not a prime number. It is a composite number because it has more than two factors. Then we've got 12. We then have 14. We have 15. And we've got 16, 18, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10. And that is the first 10 composite numbers. Then we'll go to 1.1.3. The first 10 square numbers. Again, you need to know this by heart almost. Again, there's no method to work this out. You just need to know, or just think about what are the first 10 square numbers and know, of course, what a square number is, and then just go about writing them down. So the first square number would be, and a lot of you missed this as well in your test, the first square number is 1. Okay, so now 1 does feature. 1 is a square number because 1 times 1 is 1. So the square root of 1 is 1. So 1 is a square number. It's the first square number. Then we've got 4. And then we have 9. Then we've got 16. Then we've got 25. We've got 36. And we've got 49 after that. We've got 64. And then we've got 81. And then we have 100. I think that's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, that's the first 10 square numbers. And that is question 1.1.